Hey guys, what's up? It's Riya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Honestly, I'm not doing that well because I've been filming on and on. It's been about 4 hours. I've done 3 videos already. This is the 4th one and I'm so tired. Like, I'm facing the camera with all of this lighting, this ring light and these soft lights right in front of me for so many hours, and that too with eyelashes on. My eyes are so tired and all I want to do is take this makeup off, crash on my bed and go to sleep. But I know that's not gonna happen because I've got to edit after this as well. I have to face my laptop screen for another couple of hours and my eyes are just not ready for that. But you know, there's a solution for everything. So recently I made this DIY eye soothing mask at home, and honestly it is one of the best things that you can do for your eyes, especially during this quarantine period wherein you're working from home and you're continuously facing your phone screen and your laptop screen. And if you're not even working from home, but you're just playing games on your phone, or you're just watching TV all the time, or just watching Netflix on your laptop, well, your eyes need a little bit of soothing. So this DIY eye mask is going to provide all of that soothing treatment to your eyes, and it only requires 3 ingredients to make. The first one being cucumber, which we all know is like really cooling and soothing for the eyes. The second ingredient that you need is mint leaves, which is very refreshing for your eyes. And the third and the last ingredient that you need is some aloe vera gel. The one that I'm using is by Cupid and it is 99% pure aloe vera gel. Make sure that the aloe vera gel that you're using is at least 99% aloe vera gel, because you want to ensure that it is free from chemicals and color and all of the harmful stuff, and it is just pure. Honestly, this is my favorite one and this is the one that I would recommend to you all, and it's really affordable as well. It retails for $3.99 for 200 ml, which is a huge quantity. So to prepare this DIY eye soothing mask, all you need is a mixie pot. Add a little bit of cucumber, a few mint leaves and some aloe vera gel. You can eyeball the ingredients, grind it into a paste and then extract the juice out of the paste. You will be left with this watery mixture. Now all you need to do is take a cotton pad, cut it into half and then place it into our eye soothing water so that the cotton pad soaks all of it. You can make an entire batch of maybe 5 to 10 cotton pads. Put them all in a tray and then freeze them for a minimum of 1 hour. And then whenever your eyes feel tired because of a lot of screen time, or maybe in the morning when your eyes are looking really puffy, or even during the night time when your eyes are super tired and they need a little bit of refreshment and soothing, you can use these cotton pads right under your eyes. So just place 2 of the half-cut cotton pads under both of your eyes and let them stay there until they reach room temperature. The coolness of the cucumber, mint leaves and aloe is going to provide an instant cooling, soothing and refreshing effect to your eyes and also to your under eye region. And this mask not only helps with depuffing and soothing your under eye region, but it also helps with dark circles. So this under eye mask has 3 benefits in one, and you can use it at any point during the day or even in the morning when you get up or before going to bed. And the eye mask batch that you prepare at once can be stored in the freezer for up to 1 month. Make sure that you make a new batch after that period. Don't use it any longer than that because it might go bad. And also make sure that the ingredients that you're using, that is the cucumber and the mint leaves, are fresh, and the aloe vera gel that you're using is at least 99% aloe vera gel. The one that I recommend is Cupid aloe vera gel. This is one of my favorites. So that is my solution of calming and soothing my eyes after a long day of filming videos. I recommend you try this eye mask hack out and use it every single day because it's divine for your eyes. It's so good for your eyes. In case if you end up trying this DIY eye mask out, then do let me know in the comment section below how you feel about it. I'm sure that you're gonna love it. I love it so much. I use it every single day. So yes, that is my video on how you can calm and soothe down your eyes and how you can deal with dark circles at the same time. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram where I post a lot of IGTV videos. The direct link will be mentioned in the bottom bar so you can check that out. And yeah, but that's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.